Hello, everyone. My name is Elizaldi. It's good to be back and see you all again, folks. Today I will present to you all about the payroll system process comparative and advantages between two types of payroll software project I created and developed. First type is the BPS Paymaster Lite, with API and JavaScript add-in tools embedded control functions. Second type is the BPS Paymaster Prototype, without the embedded API and JavaScript add-in tools control functions. I will also show to you all on which of these two payroll system project types is the fastest, most agile and dynamic in handling multiple complex calculation of employee benefits table, includes multiple data and formulas, as well as handling the multiple steps and control functions of overall payroll activities. I am referring here to the complex and simultaneous calculation of employee benefits, such as the employee's social security system, the PhilHealth medical benefits of all employed members, including the HDMF ABI development mutual funds and housing benefits, as well as the computation of withholding tax of employees deduction for the Bureau of Internal Revenue Tax Agency. Finally, I will also demonstrate to you all how the API and JavaScript add-in tools are being programmed and activated in Visual Basic Application Editor. Includes the configuration of payroll schedule of government mandatory deductions to all employees at once. Okay folks, let's dive into the exciting and actual payroll process comparative video demonstration. Let me show you firsthand the BPS Paymaster Lite payroll system that uses the API and JavaScript add-in tools. Watch this please. Here, I will show you how the API control functions had been programmed, embedded, and set up the activation control in this VBA upgraded editor. Also here, you will notice that the previous generated payroll register had been auto-locked in and limited only for PhilHealth and withholding taxes schedule of payroll deductions. We will try to change and configure this payroll deduction schedule later. Here's the payroll schedule of government deductions menu. This is how I configure the actual selection of employee benefits locked-in schedule of deductions, in particular only for this semi-monthly cutoff period. Showing here also is the highlight express of the completed and final setup of DTR attendance input. This attendance input is one of the most important part of end-to-end payroll processing. Now, let's go processing the payroll. And by the way, let me remind you all folks that these two payroll software are installed and operating here in my PCMS Windows. with minimal OS or operating system features and capabilities such as 64-bit operating system type, with only 4 GB installed RAM, and 2.6 GHz i5 CPU, Windows type processor. Have you noticed that it only took 5 to 6 seconds, very fast, the processing of all the 10 employees' payroll data? And here's the payroll register. You can see that the locked-in semi-monthly payroll deduction schedules for POG, ABIG, and withholding taxes had been calculated fast and accurately posted in this register report. Now, let's go to the second and last payroll comparative demo, which is the BPS Paymaster Prototype, without using the API and JavaScript add-in tools in Excel VBA. Please watch until the end of this presentation. Here, you will find that there is no API control functions being embedded or programmed in this payroll software VBA editor. You can also see here, in this previous generated payroll register report, that it was locked into the full mode or complete selected options of the government benefits deduction schedules. Showing here now is the special setup for the lock-in option of PhilHealth and withholding taxes deduction schedules, which is quite simply the same features from my previous payroll system presented. Then, I will also make a fast highlights about this DTR, attendance report data, as prerequisites in processing the payroll. Finally, let's move now to the actual payroll processing of employees' salaries under this presented BPS Paymaster Prototype version. Please continue watching, folks. Have you noticed that it took longer than 3 minutes more to process all these 9 employees in this payroll data? And here at last, the payroll register is complete. Also, notice that the payroll schedule of deductions I set up last time was clearly and computed accurately, as well as the amount values are reflected for PhilHealth and withholding taxes deductions only. That's all, folks. Please don't forget to like, follow, and leave your comments below if you like my video. Thanks for watching.